So you hear people talk about all this AI stuff and you're thinking, well, it sounds like something that can help me with my business. But you're not really sure how to get started. It seems a little complex, seems a little confusing. Well, in this video, I want to share with you 4 ways that you can use AI. So with that, let's go ahead, jump over here to my computer screen, and I've got some examples pulled up for you. So for this video, I'm using ChatGPT, and I'm using the free version. I've turned off my pro version that I pay for because I want to show you what you can do with the free version. Now, one of the things that you can do is ask it to do research. Lots of research, all kinds of research. Here, I've asked it to analyze the restaurant options available in Virginia Beach oceanfront and identify gaps and opportunities for new cuisine options for a new restaurant I want to open there. Well, this did a very thorough job. It did a review of the current restaurants there. I wouldn't want to start, for example, seafood, American is a lot there, Italian, Asian, Mexican, Latin. We've got, beachfront bars and grills, and there are some fine dining options. But what's missing? There's not a significant amount of options for healthy organic cuisine, Middle Eastern cuisine, vegan vegetarian, fusion cuisine, authentic ethnic cuisines, or gourmet fast food. So some very specific opportunities, unique dining experiences, maybe sustainable and eco-friendly. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all of these. You can see here, it's giving me opportunities of what I can do, and it's presenting me with next steps. So research is a great way that you can use AI for your business. Now, with the pro version, you can import all kinds of data. I have it connected to my Google account where I can upload Google spreadsheets. And I can ask it to analyze the spreadsheet and create a report telling me XYZ based upon the data. I can look, for example, I can upload a spreadsheet of all of our current customers and the services that they're using. And I can then also add how many hours my team is working on different service models that we have, and I can have it do analysis and tell me, well, which one is more profitable, where we may consider making some improvements to increase profit margins. Now that gets pretty advanced, but it's something that is really easy to do. I can have it help me research ideas for blog posts, for example, or updated content for my website. So lots of ways to have AI do research, lots of ways to have AI analyze data. Now, a second example is right here. I need a job description for a new head of brewing at my brewery. Can you ask me 2 questions that will help you customize a job description for me? The name of my brewery is the AI Brewery. Now, with this one here, I do this a lot. Can you ask me 5 questions, 10 questions, 12 questions? Sometimes I'll just say, ask me the questions you need answers to help create me a very customized fill in the blank. And so here we did that. It asked me 2 questions. I answered those questions 1 and 2, and then began to create very quickly a job description. So I went down through the job description and I said, let's remove the benefits section and add a day in the life section that describes a typical day starting at the morning team meeting and going on from there. So again, it recreates the job description and does it all the way down through. There's the day in the life, and it removed the qualifications. Now let's say my brewery was themed as a pirate brewery. I can say, please rewrite this as if you were a pirate. And AI very quickly is going to go ahead and start rewriting this. And if we go back up here, we're seeking a savvy and experienced head of brewing. Ahoy, matey, the AI brewery is a lively, hot, and city, state. So there's all kinds of ways you can do this to quickly produce job descriptions, standard operating procedures, operation manuals. It's absolutely fantastic. We may want to say, create a checklist for the morning manager to open the brewery. Let's just start with that, okay? And I'm gonna have to go through and fill in the blanks. So, what's it got here? Well, unlock and secure, lights and utilities, brewery prep, inventory check, tap room readiness. So, these are things right there. I go through and I can decide, is there anything missing? Is there something I want to add? Is this something that's not relevant to us? Lots of ways. But as far as getting started, this is easily 80% of the way there. I've saved all kinds of time. Let's look at a third way we can use AI. Third is I need help with a social media strategy for my mechanic shop. We specialize in brakes. I want one post idea per week. The post should reference a different Marvel movie character in a way that doesn't violate copyright. My shop's name is Mighty Mikes. And so here we can see that I created 7 ideas very quickly. I responded with, I like all of these except number 7. Can you go ahead and write these for me for Facebook? Include a suggestion for an image for each post. Here we go. Post number 1, exactly what I could say, and then a suggested image. Post number 2, an image. Post number 3, and it goes all the way down, skipped number 7, and I went ahead and asked it, please create 6 more, and very quickly it created those, and I can even, one last time, please create 12 more, but make these each double in length of word count. All right, and here we go. We can see right away the posts are longer and it's providing me still the image, and it's very quickly writing these for me. I'm not speeding this screen up. This is live at speed that the AI can work. So we're already at 23 and 24, and there we go. I now, just like that, have 24 social media posts, 2 quarters, a half a year's worth of content ideas ready to go. Now, we can go advanced and use other tools that can actually create the images and turn all of this into a post and post it to Facebook and schedule them and be hands off after setting it up. But not necessary to get started. Using this is just a way to create content, and then you can post it, hand it off to one of your team to manage. However you want to go about it, using this to create content ideas really makes your work go unbelievably faster. Let's take a fourth look. Let's say here that in this situation, you're a financial advisor. So you specialize in serving business owners, help them prepare for retirement and setting up retirement for their staff. Can you please give me 5 ideas for company taglines? And just like this, boom, 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 I've got 5 ideas for possible taglines for my company. I could also have it do something like, please create me a marketing strategy that includes a webinar. Certainly. All right, here we go. It's gonna help me set me up that I gotta define the goal, the webinar topic selection, pre-webinar foundation, webinar setup. So these are all the different things that I need to have in place for a webinar. Now I can go up and start asking it to help me create very specific stages, write emails. Please please write me the email copy for each part. Certainly, here we go. And it's writing email down for me. So here are the emails. When these are done, I can copy these right out and use them. So I hope you see that AI is a very powerful tool, but it's very simple to get started with. Just asking it questions. AI is based on a natural language programming, so NLP, and all you gotta do is imagine that you're speaking to a human, to an assistant, and just have that back and forth with it and keep asking it to make iterations, improvements, suggestions, and it's absolutely insane all the things that AI can do for you in your business. So for example, one of the things that we do is we help our clients set up AI so that the AI automatically responds every time somebody leaves a Google review. That's pretty stinking cool. Saves the businesses a lot of time, helps make sure that people are getting feedback. Lots of great things come from that. So I hope this was helpful, and I want to invite you to download the business marketing ebook where we go into details on setting up marketing strategy that will help your business grow. Until the next video, I'm Eric, and I'll see you then.